So we're carrying out this lawn renovation here. Will be. Yeah, come on, actually. Back end of last year, I had one treatment on it. We went, ooh, really? Yes, it's been emergency. What is it untreated? So that's the first pass, and there's still a significant amount of moss in. So we're going to be going over a second time, maybe even three. And yeah, let's get as much of this crap out of this lawn as we can and make it nice. So we've overseeded, and now what we're doing, we're just putting the top dressing on the lawn using the top dresser. Because of the wheels, we like to go up to the edges that way, but you can quite clearly see how it comes out the bottom there and puts a nice even spread on. When the top dressing is nice and dry, it makes a big difference. Well, here, yeah, I've got more in there, I think.
Yeah, you've got 3 more.
Yeah, it just goes into the hopper like that, and in general, that's pretty good. It's nice and dry and it's small. When you get the big clumps, you need to break them up with your hands, and that's the same with any spreader, even the Landsy spreaders. The more you can break it up into small pieces, the better. So the purpose of putting compost on, number one is to get some organic goodness into the ground. When we work this in, the compost is going to work down some of those holes, so it gets a bit of organic goodness into the ground, which helps in numerous ways, and it also provides a covering for the seeds to minimise birds getting to the seeds. And after this, we'll just go over with the lawn levelling loot, which we haven't brought, so we'll have to use the back of a rake or a brush, and then roller it. We'll put a wetting agent on and get it all watered in.